So we're gonna look for scorpions and fluorescent minerals. But I don't know what that is. Could be something. I just found this and it's glowing a little bit differently. It's fluorescing a little different than the other pieces that I've seen here. Look at that. Look at that big ass spider. That is so crazy. Creepy. Don't know what kind of spider it is, but he's glowing. Yeah. A bug flew in my ear. We found the scorpion food, but we haven't found the scorpions yet.